Hi! So, good afternoon. It is, what time is it? Almost 4. I have had a very productive day, minus I pinched the crap out of my hand. I was setting up my tripod and nailed my flesh. So, as I was saying, I've had a super productive day. I edited and am now uploading a video. I drew a little bit. I cleaned a little bit. I need to clean some more. I've been doing laundry all day and have not gone to the grocery store yet, but that's for later. But I really need to take down my Christmas decorations because it is January 10th. And it's not Christmas anymore. So I'm going to take those down. I also need to do just a little bit of dusting. And I just have stuff everywhere. And I don't know how all this stuff accumulates. It just accumulates. Let me show you. All this, my deodorant, well, I guess I use that every day. But I just have stuff. There's a random button. I don't know where that came from. And then these were my blue light glasses. And I ordered some more because, do you see this? They just broke. So I've been wearing them. But the lenses kind of fall out. And then I have just this stuff randomly here, my vitamins. There's my planner that I use. I just have all these Victoria's Secret perfumes just kind of out, and a ton of Christmas stuff. So I need to take all this down, take this down, my Christmas tree. Although I think what I'm going to do is these still have the sloth lights on them, and I think I'm going to wrap them around here. And then this is the drawing that I just finished. And I got it framed and I hung it. So I'm going to prop you guys up on a tripod and let's put some stuff away. Okay, so it's a few hours later, but I wanted to show you guys what I cleaned. So this is my desk. I moved these sloth lights that were on the tree up there. And then I moved my desktop over, and then I condensed all my makeup. And this jar is full of Christmas candy. So I have all that, and then I cleaned all these. So this is my succulent that needs to be repotted. This is the coolest wine bottle that I got from Trader Joe's, and I wanted to display it. And then this is actually from the Petite Vior box. It's one of those cards. So I just put that in a frame. And I just throw all my books down there. I didn't really know what to do on the bottom shelf. This is the basket, so it has my makeup brush holder, my passport, picture of Mark and I, a random frog. So that's kind of the overview of that. I didn't really know what to do with the books, so I just kind of put them there. And then this is my nail polish. And then this is just my stand where I just keep my perfume mainly, and the candle that I have to keep away from my cats and watch them at all times. And then I switched out the Christmas cards with some of the Petite Vior cards. So that's the overview. I didn't really do these. That's my retainer and my candle. I didn't really get to this stuff, but that's that. But I ended up doing in my floor. I need to vacuum. But I ended up just condensing all my papers. It has some of the photos that I'm drawing, my projector, and this is just a bunch of art stuff and some drawing paper. So I condensed those. Thank you for watching me organize. It looks so much better. It was so dusty and full of cat hair and just a mess. So I'm very happy that I did that. I'm happy that I organized all this. My makeup is always everywhere. I definitely need to like go through it and organize it, but that's not today. I'm actually going to end the video here. Thank you for watching me clean my entire office. I'll see you next time.